So it's saying Annie and Bradley each think of a number. The difference between their numbers is 6. The sum of their numbers is 20. What are the numbers? Well, what we're going to say is we're going to call Annie's number A. And so A is Annie's number. Okay? We don't know what that number is, but we're just going to call it A. And Bradley, we're going to call that B. So B is Bradley's number. Okay? So we're introducing algebra here. Now, the difference between their numbers is 6, and the sum of their numbers is 20. In other words, if I add Annie's number plus Bradley's number, it's going to equal 20. But if I do, well, it says the difference, so it could be B minus A, it could be A minus B. Let's just do B minus A. B minus A is going to equal to 6. Okay?
How do you know B is?
That's a really good question. But luckily, if you look down here, it doesn't ask us to say which number is which. So it doesn't actually matter which one's Annie's and which one's Bradley's. We just know that one of the numbers. So we don't have to say. Maybe I could just say number 1 and number 2, or So it doesn't matter which one's Annie's or which one's Bradley.
Okay, I get it.
Okay. Yeah. So they're being nice to us in that way, because it just says answer something and something. So we don't know. So that's
doing us a favor.
Yeah. So do you think with that little bit, do you think you'd be able to solve the rest?
Surely not.
So if you were rewatching this video, or if anybody is watching this video, then you want to pause it at this point and try to work it out. Okay, so you've got A plus B is equal to 20 and B minus A is equal to 6. This is what you call a simultaneous equation. In other words, we've got one equation and we've got two equations, and we're going to try to solve them. So that's what you have to try and do. Okay, so you could do this by trial and error. You could say, oh, I don't know, let's go 10 and 10. Well, 10 take away 10 plus 10 is 20, but 10 take away 10 is not 6. So that's not right. So then you could try a different one. Well, what else? Well, you could say 8 and 12. Well, 8 and 12, actually, does that work? No, that doesn't work, because 12 take away 8 is not 6, it's 4. But 12 plus 8, sorry. 12 take away 8. 12 take away 8 is 4, not 6. So it's not that. So it could be what about 13 and 7? 13 plus 7 is 20. 13 take away 7 is... Oh, that works. Does that work? I think that does work, doesn't it? So that's one way of doing it. That is one way of doing it. So yeah, so you could say that. Well, so I think that's right, but we could then check it. So 13b equals 7. Well, we know that one, it works there. Let's just double check that. Oh, actually, it's not that way around. It's this way around. And then, so if we do 13 take away 7, yeah, that's 6. So that is one way of doing it, and in this case, that works fine. Sometimes it's a bit trickier. So I'm going to show you one way to do it that's going to work even better. That doesn't need trial and error. So what we just did is trial and error by just basically trying different numbers and then seeing if they work. And with a different color, I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to take equation 1 and I'm going to change it around. I'm going to say that A is equal to, so I'm going to change in equation 1, A is equal to 20 minus B. And then in equation 2, I'm going to put in that bit, this bit here. I'm going to put it into equation 2. So equation 2 says B minus, and then I'm going to put this bit in. Instead of writing A, like that bit there, I'm going to write 20. And then because it says, in fact, I'm going to do it this, 20 minus B. And I'm going to say equals 6. Okay? And now I'm going to just open up the brackets. So b minus 20, and then the minus minus b is a plus b equals 6. And you got, so then the b's go together. That's 2b equals 6 minus 20. I think I might have got this one wrong, actually. So, oh no, 6 plus 20. Oh yes. Oh, that's good. I thought I messed up then. 6 plus 20, so that's 26. B is equal to 13. So, and then we could sub the values in and get the other one. So both of those methods work. All right.